What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I have some LED reverse lights for the GTR. They look absolutely insane, so I'm going to show you guys how to install in this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. But here are the LED reverse lights. So the LEDs are already in there, already comes pre-assembled with this 3D printed kind of housing, and you have the kind of the plug in there. So it should be relatively easy. It looks like there's two screws on there, and we're gonna go ahead, take them off. Looks like there's two tabs too you got to pop in, but other than that, let's go take the old ones out. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have to remove the license plate because the hardware is kind of tucked back in here. So I'm gonna go ahead, remove the license plate frame so I can get at it. So I got the license plate off, but I can see right there that that is cracked. I didn't even notice that. This side looks good, but it is some Phillips. They are pretty small, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. So this is what I look like side by side. This is the old one, this is the new one. And these two little tabs on the side go right here in the car or in the bumper. And then you have your connector, and then those two screws go there. So pretty easy install. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. All right, so there is a little bit of a process to swap out these. I would have thought they would have just came with the connector that you plug right into the OEM harness. It says right on their website, plug and play, but it is a little confusing, but it's pretty easy once you look at it. So basically what they did is you have to take this bulb housing and the harness off of the old one and plug this like you would do regularly with the bulb, and it twists in, and then basically this harness, this other end would just plug in here. But I don't know why they wouldn't just have a plug and play harness that'd go from here right to the OEM, like I said, but you know, it might be because of the bulb connection. I really don't think it is, just because it's 12 volts. I mean, it really shouldn't matter, but I might be wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead, swap these out and get them installed. All right, they're officially plugged in and mounted. Pretty easy. I replaced all four of the screws for mounting just because the old ones were pretty crusty and dirty, and a couple of them were actually stripped out too. So I went ahead, just replaced all of them. The LEDs do line up pretty well compared to where they used to sit. So really happy they're plugged in now. I'm gonna put on the license plate and go ahead and turn them on. All right, so I got the LED lights installed. They are now on, and they look really good. I love the way the styling looks, kind of with that smoked look with the LEDs. The rear end looks really good. Obviously, I have the taillights out right now because I'm doing the LED taillights as well as the turn signals, but we got the LED reverse lights done, and I'm definitely happy with the result and the way it looks. Definitely a good upgrade for these older cars. So I just shut the garage door because I wanted to kind of simulate what it'd be if it was a little bit darker. But as you guys can see, super bright, looks really good. I like the way that they're, you know, obviously that LED, you got kind of that like that whiter look. It definitely makes the car look more modern, a lot brighter, and yeah, I'm definitely happy with this upgrade. Again, I got these from Boosted International. You can buy them just as a reverse lights, or they have a deal where you can buy the tail lights with the turn signals and the LED reverse lights. All of them are LED, and you could get a pretty good deal as well. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Pretty easy install overall. Nothing too crazy for installing those reverse lights on the GTR. And again, not too expensive. So definitely worth it if you guys have a GTR. And they also have other offers as well for different LED applications for different cars. But please like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any other ideas you want me to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one.